Good news for Indians planning to work or study in Canada. Immigration Canada has shared new information about how long it takes to process different visas and immigration applications. This helps students, workers, and families prepare better. So, here's what you need to know about latest waiting time for visas and permits for Indians and others. Firstly, we'll talk about work permits. If you apply from outside Canada, Indians usually get their work permits in about 16 weeks. This is faster than before, that it used to be 18 weeks. For people already inside Canada, work permit processing takes longer, around 237 days. Now we'll speak about study permits. Indians applying from outside Canada usually wait for about 9 weeks to get their study permits. Now, this is a bit longer than before, but still quite fast. If you are inside Canada and want to extend your study permit, it takes about 234 days. Now, our third category, that is visitor visas. Then Indians waiting for visitor visa from outside Canada usually gets a decision in about 18 days. But yes, there is a great news for many Indians. Programs like Canadian Experience Class and Federal Skilled Worker Program are now processing PR application in just 5 months. Let me tell you, that's quicker than before. But yes, other programs may take longer, like Quebec Skilled Workers, about 9 months, or self-employed applicants over 3 years. Then there is a family sponsorship. Then sponsoring a spouse or a common law partner from outside Canada usually takes about 10 months, except in Quebec where it can be actually longer. Sponsoring parents or grandparents takes longer, about 3 to 4 years depending on the province. And in the end, there is citizenship. If you have applied for Canadian citizenship, it usually takes about 10 months to get approval. Now talking about the odds, then Canadian passport applications by mail usually takes about 20 business days. Visitor visa extension can take up to 169 days. Seasonal worker program applications are faster, about 13 days. Now, for many Indians who are dreaming of better future in Canada, these updated processing time shows progress and faster service specifically for work permits and permanent residency. If you want to study, work or live in Canada, now is the good time to apply and plan ahead knowing the expected wait time. Well, the Canadian government uses a smart online system that updates these time regularly, so you can always get current information. This helps Indian applicants stay informed and prepared. Also, always check the official IRCC website for the latest update before applying. Keep all your documents ready to avoid any sort of delays. And also, if you're applying from India, be patient but be hopeful. Many categories are moving faster. Consider consulting with immigration expert to improve your chances. Canada welcomes skilled Indians, students, and families with open arms. These updated timelines make it very clearer and I think easier to plan your journey to Canada's land of opportunities.